Introducing Body Fitness at Home, your partner in health and business. Welcome to Body Fitness at Home, your ultimate partner in health and business. With a quick glance at our logo, you'll see a strong, empowered figure springing into action, a symbol of the strength and vitality we aim to cultivate in every woman entrepreneur. You might be wondering why we're here. Well, we believe that the power to change your life lies within you, and we're here to help you unlock it. We are excited to present our latest program designed specifically for women entrepreneurs, a program that will help you unleash your inner strength and become the best version of yourself. So get ready, because Body Fitness at Home proudly presents Attention all women entrepreneurs. Ever felt drained giving your all to your business, struggling with weight and frustrated with your fitness journey? It's time for a change, and we've got just the solution for you. Introducing the HealthActivator program, a 60-day program tailored just for women entrepreneurs. But this is more than just fitness. It's about reclaiming your health, breaking mental barriers, and transforming your life. Imagine shedding those extra pounds, gaining muscle, and boosting your confidence. The HealthActivator program changed my life. I feel stronger, healthier, and more focused in my business. This isn't just about fitness. It's about building a community of amazing people who support each other. Our expert trainers are there for you every step of the way, ensuring you reach your goals. Be a part of this incredible community of savvy entrepreneurs ready to transform their lives. Don't wait. It's time to invest in yourself. Take the first step towards a healthier, stronger you. Join us today and become the best version of yourself. Visit bodyfitnessathome.com/entrepreneurshealth to join the Health Activator program. Are you ready to transform? Are you ready to be the best version of yourself? This is your invitation. The Health Activator program isn't just for anyone. It's for the woman entrepreneur who is ready to take her life, her health, and her business to the next level. It's for the woman who has decided that she is worth the investment. After all, your health is your wealth. Your energy, your vitality, your strength. These are the keys to success in your business and in your life. So what are you waiting for? You are the only one who can make this choice. You are the only one who can decide to take this step. Remember, if you want something you've never had, you have to do something you've never done. If you're ready to transform, if you're ready to unleash your inner strength, then this is your moment. Join us at bodyfitnessathome.com/entrepreneurshealth. We can't wait to welcome you into our community of strong, successful, health-conscious entrepreneurs. The time is now. Your transformation awaits.